Greetings of the day. Myself, Mrs. G.B. Renuka, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Madanapalle Institute of Technology and Science, Madanapalle. Today, we are discussing the concept Cloud Computing Fundamentals. My flow of presentation towards a cloud computing fundamentals. Introduction: what is a cloud? What is a cloud computing? Advantages of cloud computing, disadvantages of cloud computing, applications of cloud computing. Coming to the first slide, that is introduction towards a cloud. In today's day and age, we depend on huge amount of data. The data is a hypersensitive. Still, the huge amount of data to make our everyday lives easier, to upping the data or downing the data. We use the internet for a pretty much everything, like getting the latest news, looking for recipes, as well like watching videos, transactions, UPI payments, many things, not what not. For everything we are using, we depended as well. We are upping the data as well downing the data. One of the reason why is booming that cloud is easy accessibility. Here we can able to see that the key term easy accessibility of the data mean the where the everything is now stored under the cloud. What is a cloud? Cloud is somewhere, hence the popularity of the term cloud computing. Okay. Coming to the next slide, that is what is a cloud. So once the technology cloud computing, if you are observing, they are having the two key terms like a cloud and technology, cloud computing. So cloud and computing we are observing. So initially what is a cloud and then what is a computing we wants to know. The term cloud refers to a network or internet. The term cloud referring a network or internet, or else in other words we can able to say that the cloud is a server. In other words, we can say that cloud is something which is present at the remote location, which is at present at the remote location. We can provide the services with the help of the network, with the help of network, or either it might be the public or the private networks. Like a public network example, wide area network, and the private networks example, local area networks. So applications of a cloud like email and web conferencing. Then what is nothing but the computing? Computing is nothing but the processing. Computing is nothing but the processing. Then the coming to the cloud computing. That cloud computing is one of the emerging technology. The cloud computing purely depending on internet based computing. We can able to say that the cloud computing is a internet based computing in which our resources, software and the information are shared to computers and other devices on demand. So if you are observing the key term like on demand, so on demand, so according to the user requirement only, they are going to providing the service with the help of internet. Cloud provides a facility for users to access information at any time from anywhere. So this is a major advantage we can say, at any time. So there is no time limit as well. From anywhere we can able to access. So this are one of the best facility or the best feature we are having in a cloud computing. As the third point, it delivers all the services dynamically. It delivers all the services dynamically through the internet according to the user requirement. So one of the underlining key terminology here we are seeing, it is user requirements. So whatever the user having a requirement, that time the according to the user requirement, the cloud service provider is going to providing the service. The cloud service provider is going to providing the service dynamically. But one of the underlining key terminology is it is a internet based computing. Then exact definition, it is a pay as you go model. The cloud computing is like a pay as you go model. According to the user requirement, according to the customer needs, if you are requesting, the service provider is going to providing the service with the help of network or internet. So it is a purely user requirement only. When the user asking only, they are responding, as well pay as you go model. So the best example for the cloud computing in realistically, like electricity bills, whatever that we are as a user we are consuming, that much amount only we are paying. As well the like public services, if you are observing like a APS RTC, so if you are thinking to travel from source to destiny, so with paying the nominal amount, we are reaching the destiny. They are providing the service for us. Similar, the cloud computing is also one of the service. They are also providing the service. Whatever we are asking them. Like once you observe like a cloud computing scenario, here we can able to see like a three important factors. In a front end, we will see like a desktop users or the laptop users or the mobile users, and then at the back end we can able to observe like a cloud service provider. They are providing the services with the help of internet, with the help of internet. So the cloud, what majorly we can able to say is, here they are having, in a cloud computing scenario, they are having a three important roles. One is like a users, and the another is like a backend user. Backend, in the backend they are having the cloud service provider. The cloud service provider is providing the service, whatever as a user we are requesting, they are providing the service with the help of internet. So here we'll see like a front end. The front end is accessible users, like a, we'll call it as a clients, and then the backend there have like a cloud service provider. So who comes under the cloud service providers? Google Cloud is one of the best example for the cloud service provider. IBM is also one of the best example for the cloud service provider. Amazon Web Services, IBM, Google Cloud, Salesforce, many more are the examples for the cloud service provider. And then one of the very important note here is, with the help of a internet or the virtual network only, we can able to retrieve the information, as well we can able to request for them, we can able to request for them. So this is a like a cloud computing scenario diagram. Then coming to the advantages of cloud computing, when we are using the technology, emerging technology, cloud computing, no matter the size of business, cloud computing advantages are bringing the potential to the transform workloads, increasing efficiency and productivity. The major advantages towards a cloud computing is accessibility anywhere with any device. So that flexibility we are having as a cloud users, we are having that flexibility anywhere from any device we can able to access. And the second advantage when we are using the cloud computing, that is a cost effective maintenance. Cost effective maintenance. So the best example, like organizations using the cloud computing can save money on both the hardware and software upkeeps, because the cloud service providers manage the maintenance and updates. So the best example, if you are traveling one place to another place, we are not at all like bothering any headaches or the what to say, we are not maintaining anything. So we are just planning our traveling timing. According to our timing, we are just moving towards our destiny, right? By paying the nominal amount, the maintenance as well as updates and all, they are taking care. Here also the cost effective and maintenance are taken care by the cloud service provider. And then the third advantage, that is the scalable storage capacity. Scalable storage capacity, here we can able to increase the resources. If you are planning as a user, if you are planning to increase or the decrease the size of storage, we can. So the businesses can virtually store and manage a limitless amount of data in the cloud. So there is no limit. So the scalable storage capacity we can able towards like a increasing the scalability or the decreasing, like we can say like a horizontal scalable and the vertical scalability. In with the help of the scalable storage capacity, we can able to increase. The cloud offers a scalable and centralized storage option for all types of multimedia data, like including the documents, photos, audios, videos, animations, and so on. Then the fourth advantage, when we are using the cloud computing technology, they have one of the best advantage, improved collaboration. Collaboration is improved because the cloud technologies make it possible for teams to share the information easily. Multiple users may work together on documents, projects, and data. The best example, OneDrives. So where we are, it might be the many people can able to work together, whatever they want to upload the data or modify the data, they can able to do. So the many people, so multiple users may work together. Google Drive or like what will say, OneDrive is the best example for the improved collaboration. This is also one of the best advantage in a cloud computing. And then fifth advantage, that is a data backup and restoring. The data backup and restoring is also one of the best advantage we can able to. They are managing everything. If even if we are losing also, we can able to backup that. The cloud computing offers a quick and easy method for data backup and restore. A business may simply access and restore the data their data in the event of any data loss or a system failure. So two kinds of things we can able to observe, like a data loss or the system failure. That time also we can able to track our data, backup our data with the help of this advantage. And then one more advantage in the cloud computing, that is a green computing. So with the help of the term green is giving like some positive vibe, right? So by maximizing the users use of computer resources, lowering the energy use and minimizing the e-waste, cloud computing may support environment sustainability. So this is also one of the best advantage in supports in a cloud computing, that is a green computing. Coming to the disadvantages of cloud computing. So majorly we can able to observe in terms of disadvantages. So all time we are supposed to say like saying like a cloud need like a cloud is like supporting, it is like one of the server we are saying, as well at the back end they are having the cloud service providers. When we are requesting to them, they are providing the solution for us. That time we need the internet, we need the network, or all the time we are just focusing on internet. So that is a one of the drawback in the cloud computing, that is required a constant internet connection. It need like a constant internet connection, good internet connection only we can able to retrieve the data from the cloud service providers. As well, limited control and visibility. So as an advantage I said like management, everything they are updating, everything they are managing. So as a user we are having the limited control as well, limited visibility. So these two are the major drawbacks we can able to say in a cloud computing. So one is like a required constant internet connection, and the another one is limited control and visibility. So here we are not taking any headaches, that also good only, but they are having the limited control and a limited visibility as a user, as a user. Coming to the applications of a cloud computing. So the cloud computing applications we are using in all the fields. Cloud service providers providing the various applications in the field of all, like art, business applications, data storage and backup service applications, education sector, entertainment, management, social networking, and so on. We are not all fields we are observing like a cloud computing application, real time applications. So now we'll see few of what and all business now we'll see few of applications in a cloud computing. Like first one is a business applications. Today every organization require the cloud business application to grow their business. It also ensures that business applications are 24 cross 7 available to the users. So there are a few applications that are supporting to the business by the cloud. That is like a MailChimp, like it is an email publishing platform which provides the various options to design, send and save templates for the emails. And the second application supporting by the cloud for the business is a Salesforce application. So the Salesforce platform provides tools for sales, services, marketing, e-commerce and more. It also provides a cloud development platform. And the third application supporting by the cloud for the business application is a Charter. Charter help us to share the important information about the organization in real time. So this is one of the best application we can able to say in a cloud computing technology. And the second one is data storage and backup application. The data storage and backup application is allows to store the information. In the name itself, it is going to store the information. It allows to store the information, the data, like either it might be the data, file formatted data, audio or the video formatted data, any kind of data. Here also we can say like multimedia data on the cloud and access this information using the internet connection. Then the data storage, a few of the what following like some of the applications are the some of the applications offering by the cloud that we will see now in a data storage and backup application, that is the Mozy. Mozy provides a powerful online backup solution for our personal and business data. It schedules automatically backup for each day at a specific time. So with the help of this cloud application Mozy, we can able to backup our data every day with within a speculated time. And another application, that is a Joku. Joku provides the simplest way to share and track a cloud-based backup files. Many users using the Joku to search files, folders, and collaborate on documents. And the third one is a Google G Suite. It also supports to the data storage and backup. Google G Suite is one of the best cloud storage and backup application. It includes the Google Calendar, Doc, Forms, Google Plus Hangouts. It is similar to the Gmail, we can say. And then coming to the third application that is supporting the like a cloud computing, that are education application, education based. Cloud computing is the education sector. In a cloud computing in the education sector become very popular. It offers a various online distance learning platforms and the student information portal to students. So some of the applications now we'll see supporting by the cloud, like in a education application. One is a Google app for education. So this Google app for education is a most widely used platform for free web based email, calendar, documents and collaborative study. And the second application that is supporting to the education towards a cloud is a Chromebook for education. Chromebook for education is one of the most important Google project. It designed for the purpose that it designed for the purpose that enhances education innovation. So these are the applications of a cloud. So business application, education application, we have seen as well data storage and backup application, we have seen very clearly. Then the what and all we discussed in today's class is, first, the thing is introduction towards the cloud computing, and what is the cloud we have seen, and then what is the cloud as well, cloud computing, advantages of cloud computing, disadvantages of cloud computing, and the applications of a cloud computing. So majorly, cloud is one of a on-demand service as well. It is a pay-as-you-go model, and then with the help of the user requirement only, they are supposed to give the they are fulfilling the user requirement with the help of user request only. And then majorly what we need to remember here is cloud is like a one of the cloud refers to the one of the server as well. Cloud is cloud termed it as like what to say, the term cloud refers to the server, the cloud referring to the network or the internet. So underlining terminology here is with the help of internet only we can able to use the facilities from the cloud service providers. So that so this all we discussed in today's class. These are the references I used to prepare this content. Thank you.